Good morning. This is Frank with Trade Stalkers on the 20th of January, 2016. Uh, it's good to be back after a long vacation. Good trips in Disneyland and Universal Studios and Southern California area. Beautiful area, beautiful area. So we'll get started real quick since we're running behind due to some technical difficulties. It's lovely to come home, find your internet out, and nobody reported in the area. So, quick look over here. Looks like we opened up around 1871.75 last night. Moved up just a little bit to our overnight high. Looks somewhere around 1878.75. And as you can see, because the oil problems, we just dropped right through all kinds of support, even our major support here at 1847. Right down into our newly established zone today at 1840.50, and then down to here. We kind of hit a bottom last night at 1829.75. Then we just slowly started creeping up here about 3 o'clock this morning, right there through our next resistance level at 1841.75 area, right up into this major pivot at 1847.25. As you see when the market opened, it kind of struggled to get through that. I advised traders earlier not to trade until the market was up into this area, moved up into like 1854, retraced back down into here, but to still wait for it to close above this 1851 area before entering a trade. And as you can see, we have tested this, pulled all the way back first thing this morning. So let's take a look at the rest of the day. If we can get a good bounce off of this zone and re-clear this 24-hour VWAP, clear this pivot resistance, clear this 1850, then look for a long with initial targets at 1856.25 up to 1866, followed by targets up to the next zone at 1875, and we might even get back the overnight high of 1881.75. Be cautious of a consolidation around this 1870 area. That's been an area of concern for many days now. To the downside, we've come back, we've pulled back through this zone, we've up and retested the 24-hour VWAP. So now we're going to look more than likely for a short going to this down here for our first target to be around 1832. Just be cautious in this area. We could get a lot of consolidation all morning long. Excuse my voice, allergies from the long trip. So if we do get this close below this level and we go on down and we can hit this overnight low in this zone of 1831 to 1850, 1830, look for a double bottom bounce, possibly all the way back into the zone, even the 24-hour VWAP. If it should fail, we're going to look for probably to come all the way down and retouch this 100% retracement of a larger scale move at 1813.38. And again, some consolidation in this area for the end of the day, more than likely. Be cautious. Oil is driving this market. So again, be very, very cautious. Wait for a good move, a good momentum drive in one direction or the other. Take your profits early. Don't be greedy. This is Frank at Trade Stalkers. Have a great day.